See all the crows going? This is all happening at one time. There's crows everywhere. Look at this building. They all just flew in here about 20 minutes ago. It's really creepy. This is all just down the back alley of my house. You can see them all lining up against that building, or along the edges there. The trees everywhere, even on our building. It's creepy. And you can see them flying in from other parts of the city even. I don't know what's going on, but it is really weird. Oh, they're all going away. I don't know where they're going, but they're going away now. Some of them anyway. That's truly bizarre.